There is no one in this universe quite like you. No, really, the odds of someone else having the exact same birth chart as you have are 1 in a billion. The human being that you are, that you so often talk disparagingly about, neglect, or doubt, is made up of stardust. You are a unique universal gift, a nuanced combination of signs, planets, houses, aspects that belong to you and to you alone. You are a cosmic miracle, deserving of care, nurturing, and honest understanding, and it's time for you to start acting like it. Your birth chart is your roadmap to making your dreams come true. It tells the story of the challenges you've overcome in your past. It celebrates the radiance you exude in your present, and it depicts the potential you have to blossom within your future. And you can complain about being a Pisces or having Saturn in the 7th house or your moon conjunct the ascendant, or you can use these pieces as a compass to point you in the direction of where your most authentic self and authentic life lies. Rather than viewing your chart through the lens of all of the reasons you are not enough, it's time to view it as the instruction manual, the care and the keeping of your soul. As love, it's up to you, chart holder, to anchor into the brilliance it holds and live out the innate beauty and blessing of the promise within your celestial signature. And that happens when you stop speaking down to yourself and start supporting your birth chart and furthermore your soul with the knowledge, tools, and sacred space that it needs to thrive. From this intention, I've created resources for you to genuinely anchor into the rhythms of the universe and explore your inner cosmos. An astrology course, a guidebook, and a YouTube channel with meditations and yoga classes. You owe it to yourself to understand yourself. Welcome to Self Care Astrology.